Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make yummy prawn ghee roast. First we have to wash and clean required prawn. Add some chopped garlics to it. Add few curry leaves. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder. Required salt. A squeeze of lemon. And mix it properly. Let it marinate. Let's keep it aside. Meanwhile, heat a frying pan and add little oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. When ghee starts to heat, let's add the marinated prawn and let's fry it. While prawn gets fried, you can cut onion, tomatoes. Let's add tomato to the fried prawns. Let's give it a good mix. Let's add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of chili paste. Let's give it a good mix. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, garam masala, any kind of fish fry masala. Here I used Shan brand fish fry masala, cumin powder, turmeric powder, tomato sauce, soya sauce. Add chopped onions. Let's mix it all together. Simple. And add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well and your prawn ghee roast is ready.